Well, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, May 19th, and my plans for today are to do a little planting of some starts that I have and show you what small space gardening really means to me. Okay, here we have one of my green stalks. I believe this is the original planter, and I have some small collard green starts that I planted on May 2nd, and I'm going to put them into this particular planter. So the first thing I'm going to do is dig little holes that are big enough for the starts. Okay, then next I'm going to put a little Nature Safe 1300 into each hole. Since we eat the leaves from the collard greens, I'm using this strength of fertilizer because it has nitrogen in it, delayed release, and it will help promote the growth of the leaves. And the last one for this tier. Okay, we have 6 plants in. And then we're going to go to the second tier and put the remaining left. I think there's 3, 4. Okay, we got the collard greens in. Now we're going to plant a Black Beauty zucchini in this empty container here. Okay, this should be deep enough. Going to put some Nature's Safe 855 in the hole. Okay, pretty good root system. And we're going to backfill the hole. Compress it. And we're done. Okay, later on I'm going to come back and put some straw around it, and then we'll water it in with a little fertilizer. It'll be mixed with fish emulsion and a little calcium nitrate and some Jack's 2020. It will be diluted, so it will help with the transplant shock. And I'm going to do the same to the collards that we planted earlier. Okay, I have some Florida tomatoes. They're determinate tomatoes. They're bred specifically for the Florida heat. That I'm going to plant in these 3 containers. The 3 that I planted before have given up the ghost, so I'm going to remove those and put some amendments in the soil, and then go ahead and plant 3 more here. Okay, as you can see, all the dead plants have been removed, and now I'm going to add a little Nature Safe 855 to each hole, and also some bone meal. Bone meal will help with root development. on there. One here. Okay. We'll plant them kind of deep. Okay, we have 3 of the Florida tomatoes planted, and we're going to go ahead and give them a liquid fertilizer, dilute it to help them with the transplant shock, and we'll be done. Well, we got everything that we wanted to get accomplished done today. We did 3 types of starts and got them into their final home. We did some collards, we did some Florida tomatoes, and we did a black zucchini, a black beauty zucchini. And we watered them in and watered the rest of the plants as well. I want to thank you for coming along with me on this journey. If you enjoyed the content, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. For those of you that are on the fence about subscribing, I know that you watch a lot according to YouTube's algorithm. So go ahead and subscribe and continue getting good content. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, and also click the notification all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're interested in any of the equipment or seeds used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront, or you can head over to my website. You can also reach me on Facebook at Small Space Gardening, where you can meet like people like me and yourself that are interested in gardening and have a passion for it. So always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.